Hello guys, welcome back to Kitchen Cuts. My name is Siddharth and today we are going to make a very simple item, that is mango lassi. So in mango lassi we require very few ingredients, and in this video you will come to know how to slice mangoes in a very simple way and without making any wastage. So please watch my full video, and also if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Also share your reviews on the recipe in the comment box below. Thank you very much. Now for making mango lassi, you require 1 glass of chilled milk, powdered sugar, sliced mango, crushed ice and 200 grams of yogurt. Now here I want to show how to cut the top of the mango. Just cut it a slight and give 4 cuts from top to bottom. Make slight cuts on the surface of it so that we could peel off the skin. And after giving the cut, you can peel off the 4 sides. Peeling off the skin in this way is very simple. You can see how minimal is the wastage. Now take a flat side of the mango on your palm and make a cut in this way. Similar way, make the cut on another side. There are also other forms in which you can cut the mango, but this one is much simpler. Now take a blender and add all the ingredients given earlier. Blend this mixture very smooth. This looks awesome. Now take a jar of your choice and serve it as you like. Put some mango cubes on the top to garnish. This also looks very beautiful. And now this is ready to be served. So that was mango lassi, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, as I said earlier, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and families, and do make your suggestions in the comment box given below. Thank you very much.